How to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. Now here at the bottom you'll see different options. I want you to come over here and click on swap, and I want you to click on this token here from, okay, and we'll change this to USDT. So we'll just go ahead and search it up, USDT, and let's change the network because this one is BNB Smart Chain. You won't find it here. I want you to look for something like Ethereum. You should find it right there. Now if I search for USDT, they actually start showing up. Now from the to option, I'll go ahead and select TRX. Okay, TRX. Make sure you're using the right network that actually supports this token. So Ethereum supports it. There are other networks as well. You can go ahead and try those out. So there we go. And now here we are going to convert from USDT to Ethereum. We just need to go ahead and put in the amount. Let's say you want to do $10 worth, and you'll be able to also see how much TRX you'll be receiving for that. And if you have enough USDT, you just come here, click on that and convert. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. If not, you have to just buy the crypto. So if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Sasha Gemar and smash that like button.